to note that this is a high traffic area, so the original carpet has obviously been quite flattened over the past few months. So this donor piece of carpet is still brand new, never been trodden on, so it's going to stand proud. So I'm a bit reluctant at the moment to trim it flat in order to match the existing carpet, because after a few weeks of this being stood on, it's going to blend in a lot better. But as you can see already, unless you're actually looking for it, you're probably not going to notice it. But give that a couple of weeks and that's going to completely disappear.